at these twos. They know the nightlight's about to go on, so they're turning into night terrors. Night twos. They come out and play when the nightlight's on, scream off the top of their lungs, hang upside down, play games. The king of the perch, Bickaroony, tap that beak, training. Who's the king, who's the queen? They love each other. Look at them. Oh, there's a tornado too. They're both doing the clean. Ready for. She's about to bounce. She's getting ready. Look at it. Oh, she's doing it slowly. Boom. Look at it. Boom. The female's getting ready to get another perch there. Big girl, Tiago. Here. Ah, look at it. Ah. Oh. And you've got. Yeah. Yeah. Good. The Dozens. Horace and Heather. Hathor. And you got Beaten Fleesh. He's. They're dozy. They're really loud. Oh, the cockatoos. What are you doing? Oh, you're cleaning. And there's the manhole, known as Matrix. The man pimp, the bird pimp. Where's my bitches? Where are my bitches? There's ish. You're not a bitch though, kid. You're a henny, smart, intelligent girl there. Look at her. In her father's colours. You're going. Oh. Oh. Wait. Look at that. Oh. The cocker pimp. Look at him. The cocker. Oh, there's the hens. Oh, they're cleaning each other. Oh, yeah, he's a brute, yeah. Oh, yeah, bullshit. Oh, bullshit. I want him. Oh, yeah, no, you can't have it. Oh. And the man comes on him. What's going on here, ladies? Oh, he shows his wings. Look at him. Buffs his chest out, puts his hair back, and says, look at him. I'm a man pimp. Bird pimp. Whatever he wants to call himself. The manhole. Look at him. These two cleaning themselves, talking about. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Tiago! Oh! You wanted to get into the shoot. Oh! Tiago! I'm gonna cut that for a second, cheeky boy. Oh, I keep continuing. Oh.